Information Security Analyst, career, job role, and top certifications. Nowadays, people are becoming more advanced and taking all their necessary actions in information.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Information security and in the digital sector. People are surfing the internet every day to get their daily work done. Even online transactions are possible nowadays. Not only conglomerate firms but also small enterprises have their data and assets in cyberspace. The critical drawback of high usage of the internet is hacking. Hackers worldwide are always utilizing different techniques to hack and steal data. With the high risk of hackers, cybersecurity is becoming a topic of concern among corporations. Thus, the role of an IT security analyst becomes vital.
Who is an information security analyst? Information security analysts play a significant role in this digitalized era. The concerned authorities are held liable for updates on the security and accessories of a company. Information security analysts are cybersecurity professionals or engineers whose primary job is to ensure safety measures against any cybersecurity or disturbance to the corporation's network systems. Information security analysts use their skill set to prevent any intrusion against a company's assets. They monitor and test any fatalities in the computer's network system and strengthen it to prevent unauthorized access. Part of the information security analyst's responsibility is to maintain and update reports regarding the effectiveness of the company's security policies for IT administration and other relevant company members. What are the duties and responsibilities of information security analysts? Let's take a look at information security analyst job forums and working duties in brief. Technically, the position might have slight changes in itself depending on the corporation and firms. People often question the task of an information security risk analyst. However, the significant parts remain the same, regardless of what company you are working for. 1. The role of an information security analyst involves monitoring and testing computer networks for any fatalities or security issues. They have all the training insights from the information security risk analyst education. Moreover, the information security risk analyst programs deliver various crucial information regarding the work nature. 2. Information security analysts must perform security audits using analytical tools and software to investigate any breaches. 3. They are also required to investigate security breaches and other cybersecurity incidents. 4. The information security analyst's role is to install security measures such as firewalls and data encryption programs or software to protect the company's information and infrastructure. 5. One of the roles of an information security analyst is to analyze and investigate the complex malware that causes security breaches. 6. They need to document and update recovery plans for security breaches in the company. 7. Information security analysts leading a security team must work out and execute performance tests and penetration testing to discover network fatalities and vulnerabilities. They need to detect the vulnerabilities and fix them to strengthen and maintain a high security standard. 8. Hackers manage to find new ways to illegally access. So as information security analysts, they need to stay updated with the latest IT security trends and news to tackle the latest methods of hackers. 9. An information security analyst needs to develop a solid and company-wide system to support IT security. They need to initiate best practices to do so. 10. To strengthen and toughen up security, they need to research and develop security enhancements and make recommendations to corporations. These are the primary and fundamental roles that information security analysts carry out. They must monitor computer networks for security purposes, install software and programs to safeguard the computer networks, etc.
you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.